really appreciate that this is the first time in Chhattisgarh such an event. In Chhattisgarh itself, 1000 million ton has been discovered by DMG, Director of Mining and Geology. They have discovered about 1000 million tons of hematite iron ore. However, whatever is there, high grade iron ore is in short supply and low grade iron ore is available in abundance. This, you can see the state-wise iron ore resources in million metric tons. Now the question comes that how to utilize low-grade iron ore, because just before few years we were considering it as a waste. If we see in China, they are utilizing the iron ore of even 30% Fe content, 35% Fe content. They are upgrading and then they are utilizing because there is no high-grade iron ore in the China. So, although we have not gone ahead much for the beneficiation of iron ore, but today it is the need, it's the need of the hour, and we have to go for beneficiation of iron ore and utilization of iron ore fines, which we are just exporting and without getting anything. Now the various techniques are available for beneficiation of iron ore. One is washing, jigging, magnetic separation, gravity separation as compared to that of parent ore. Means it is a better product than actual iron ore lumps. Iron ore pellets can be used in the blast furnace also, but it is the most suitable product for coal-based sponge iron product. As I just now conveyed, the necessity of pelletization to arrest the wastage of fines generated by crushing of iron ore, to overcome the shortage of iron ore and to meet the necessary demand of steel, for utilizing low-grade iron ore, and because of the shortage of iron ore, now whoever is the sponge iron producer here, he knows whatever is their profit, that is taken over by the iron ore mine owners. You increase the price of sponge iron and there will be the increase of price of the iron ore mine from the iron ore mine owners. The pellet, iron ore pellet is a much better product for production of sponge iron than the lump ore, because we have not yet used much, so we are not able to say, but the basic advantage with that, with the same kiln, your production will go up by about 25% because it is uniform in size. Secondly, the specific consumption of coal will come down by 15%. Because already there is a coal, there is a porosity in that, and that also burns, and utilization of coal is much better. Since it's a uniform and round in size, hydrocyclones, you have to optimize various parameters of hydrocyclones. That is apex diameter, based on the quality and type of iron ore, you have to do adjustment for apex diameter, vortex finder diameter, operating pressure, solid concentration, but you can upgrade low-grade iron ore with that. Spirals, second. Spiral is an energy-saving gravity equipment where large quantities can be fed for enrichment of iron ore. WIMS, which is wet high-intensity magnetic separator. This is used at different magnetic fields for recovery of fine iron ore. The feed can be either the overflow of hydrocyclones or spiral tailings. The flotation technique. Flotation column technique can be used for recovery of pellet grade iron ore fines from the tailings of hematite washing plant, superior grade iron ore concentrates in case of low grade Goa ore and BHQ, because there are various grades of iron ore, various types of iron ore, so you have to use different technique for the different type of iron ore. BHQ ore of phosphate can be achieved by using column flotation technique, and it is possible to achieve 64 to 66% of Fe with minimum silica and aluminum content which is most suitable for pellet plant. Suppose now we have made iron ore fines. There is no use of iron ore fines in India, and that is why even high-grade iron ore fines we are exporting. For utilizing iron ore fines, you have to have the pelletization. Without pelletization, you cannot use even the upgraded iron ore fines or good iron ore fines. And most of the techniques where beneficiation is involved is with that. Whatever low-grade iron ore you are doing, you have to grind and then do the beneficiation, so it becomes iron ore fines. Pelletization plants are very few in India. However, now looking to the present necessity, few companies are in the process of installation of the plants. Whatever old plants are operating, that is SR and the other 1B pellets and this thing, that is not JSW is also operating. In Chhattisgarh also, because iron ore is available and ultimately we have to utilize iron ore fines, some pellet plants are coming. We have just started our pellet plant of 0.6 million ton per annum capacity. Trials are going on. It is with Chinese technology. Godavari Power and Ispat has also just commissioned their pellet plant. MSP, Iron and Steel at Raigarh, they have also started the pellet plant. Means we have to think for now installation of the pellet of sponge iron. Sponge iron fines are produced. That is because the corners are just broken and the iron ore this is there. But when you are utilizing pellets, your fine generation is hardly 10%, 12% actually. Nothing much if the pellet is of a better quality. Since the production is going up, you can find out there will be added advantage of maintenance cost, electricity cost, manpower cost, capital cost, and other savings will be there. Pellets are handling cost is very less because they do not break during transportation. As pellet consumption is very less, the effect on refractory is very less. Otherwise, iron ore, because of its type, damage to refractory takes much more. During generation of production, flotation, improvement by grinding, hydrocyclones, spirals. Hydrocyclone is slightly difficult and here the operation becomes little difficult. So when utilizing